Hey guys! I'm here in Michigan for fall break, so I have a little co-star. She's the queen of the show. I'm a week late because they said that it would be shipped in 3 days. It took about a week and a half. So, it's finally here. And I have a little co-star to help me open it. Mwah! Yeah, wait. Oh frick, please don't be ugly. It's an interesting material. Ooh. Oh, that's fun. That's big. You like it? You like it? Sniff, sniff. Yeah. So here it is in all of its glory. That turned out well though. Oh no, don't be scared. Don't be scared. It's really freaking high quality. Like, that is worth the money. So yeah, I did it. Challenge accepted and done. Okay, it's decided. I love it. And I want to design another one with my logo and stuff on it because it is so flippin' cute and I love the material of it. I can't stop looking at it in the camera. So, I like it. Be mad at us. So if you haven't noticed, I've been having a lot of trouble keeping up with videos in the past few weeks. I think I've missed several weeks from trying to get the bandana ordered and then trying to get the video out. And to be honest, I am at 17 credit hours and I have an additional 9 credit hours through testing out of classes on top of that, and then an additional 10-page essay that I have to write to appeal to get out of one class. So needless to say, this semester is going to be a lot of work, and for the rest of the semester I am not going to be uploading very often. Hopefully I will have a really cool video by the end of the semester, but if you don't see me post for a little bit, just please don't go away. I will be back. I'm just going on a little bit of a hiatus, so hopefully I'll be back probably by the end of Christmas at the latest, so that I can get things rolling again. But if I have time, I will totally push out an extra video for you guys, but I wanted to make sure that you knew that I hadn't forgotten about you. So, I will hope to see you soon. Everyone stay rested, especially my fellow college students. Alright, bye-bye.